Today we are going to discuss the chapter which is named as Exponents. Exponent is a chapter in class 8th of CBSE syllabus. Now what do you understand by the exponent? Suppose there is a number 2 and its power is 6. So this 6 will be called as the exponent of number 2. Now what is the meaning of this exponent? What is the meaning of this exponent? It means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So it is 6 times. 3 and 3, total 6 times. So exponent is the power of any number. In general form we can write there is a number a and its power is n, then n is the exponent of number a. Now we should discuss some properties of exponent. Suppose we will write minus a power n. It will be positive a raised to the power n if n is even, and it will minus a raised to power n when n is odd. Let us discuss some example of exponents. Suppose we write minus 2 raised to the power 4. Here 4 is the exponent of the number minus 2. It means that here n is 4, which is an even number, and the number is minus 2. Since n is 4, it is an even number, so it will be minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, and again minus into minus plus. So the answer will be 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, 2 to the 16, and minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, this plus into this plus. The answer is plus. Or it can be written as 2 raised to power 4. So here we can see that a negative number is raised to power of even number, then it will be become positive number, and the power will remain the same. Let us take some one more example. Let us take the same number minus 2 and its exponent is 3. Now here we can see that n is an odd number. So we can say minus 2, we will write minus 2 into 3 times. So minus into minus is plus, and again plus into minus is minus. So it will be minus 2 to the 4 to the 8. Or we can say that answer is minus 8 or minus 2 raised to the power 3. Now let us discuss about some more properties of exponent. Let a upon b is any rational number and n is a positive integer, then a upon b raised to the power n is equal to a upon b into a upon b into a upon b up to n times. Or we can write it as a into a to n times upon b into p to n times. It will become a raised to the power n. Since a is multiplied up to n times, similarly b is also multiplied to n times. So b raised to the power n. So in general, we can say that a upon b raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power n upon b raised to the power n. Now let us discuss some example of it. Let us take example 3 upon 5 raised to the power 3. We can write it as 3 raised to the power 3 upon 5 raised to the power 3. So it will be 3 into 3 into 3, and it will become 5 into 5 into 5. It will become 27, and 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125. Let us take one more example. Example number 2. Minus 2 upon 3 raised to the power 5. We can write it as minus 2 raised to the power 5 upon 3 raised to the power 5. Now here n is an odd number, so it will become minus 2 raised to the power 5 upon 3 raised to the power 5. So it will become 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times, it is minus 32 upon, and 3 multiplied by 5 times, it will be 243. So now let us discuss about negative integral exponent of a rational number. Negative integral exponent of a rational number. Suppose a upon b is a rational number. Now its power is, or its exponent is, an integer, a negative integer. Its exponent is a negative integer. Then it will become like this: a upon, we will take the inverse of a upon b, that is b upon a, and power will become positive. That means if a rational number has negative power, then it will be equal to the inverse of the same rational number with positive power. Let us discuss some example of it. Example first. Let 3 upon 4 is a rational number, and its exponent is minus 5. So we can write it as the inverse of 3 by 4, that is 4 by 3, and power will become positive. Similarly, take another example, 4 raised to the power minus 6. We can write it as 4 upon 1 raised to the power minus 6, and we just take inverse of this rational number, that is 1 upon 4, and the power will become positive. So this is how we deal with the negative integral exponent of a rational number. Now we will discuss some laws of exponent. Before coming to the problem, we will discuss some laws of exponent. Number first law is A upon B raised to the power n into A upon B raised to the power n. Then it will become A upon B raised to the power m plus n. It means that if a rational number has the power m is multiplied by same rational number having power n, then their power will get added. Then the answer will be the same rational number with the power get added. Number second property, if A upon B, the rational number with power m divided by same rational number A upon B raised to the power n, then it will become A upon B raised to the power m minus n. It means if a rational number has power m is divided by the same rational number with power n, then the answer will be the same rational number having the power m minus n. Number third property, if a rational number A upon B has power m and that whole number including that power has power of n, then it will become A upon B raised to the power m into n. Number fourth property, if A upon B is a rational number and it is multiplied by another rational number C upon D, and both the rational number has a combined power of n, then we can write it as A upon B raised to the power n into C upon D raised to the power n. Or we can write the same property as if A upon B and C upon D has a combined power of n, then we can write A upon B raised to the power n upon C upon D raised to the power n. Number fifth property, if a rational number A upon B has a negative power, then it will become inverse of the same rational number, that is B upon A, with positive power. Next property or next identity is that if any rational number or any number has an exponent 0 or power 0, then it is equal to 1. Now let us solve some problems. Let us solve some problem. Question number first. 5 raised to the power minus 3. Now 5 raised to the power minus 3 we can write as, since the power is negative, therefore in order to convert the positive power we will take the inverse of this number, that is we will write 5 as 1 upon 5, so the power will become positive. And now it will be 1 upon 5 raised to the power 3, that is 1 upon 125. Let us take one more example. Suppose there is a rational number 2 upon 3 having power 3. It has to be multiplied with the same rational number having power 2. Then, as per the laws we have studied recently, it will become 2 upon 3 raised to the power 3 plus 2. Since both these rational numbers are same with different exponents, so their exponent will get added. It means 2 upon 3 raised to the power 5, or 2 raised to the power 5 upon 3 raised to the power 5. Or according to the property, this power will go individually to the numerator and denominator separately. So it will become 32 upon 243. Let us take one more example. Example number 3. Suppose 3 upon 8, the rational number having power minus 2. It has to be multiplied with rational number 4 upon 5 having power minus 3. Here both the rational numbers are different. So we have to work out, we have to calculate it separately. So now here the rational number 3 upon 8 has negative power. So in order to convert its power positive, we will take the inverse of this rational number, that is 8 upon 3. So we have write 3 upon 8 as 8 upon 3, so that its power will become positive. Similarly 4 upon 5 also has negative power, so we will take its inverse. Here it is, multiplication sign. We will take 5 upon 4 and the power will become positive. Now we can multiply it as 8 raised to the power 2 upon 3 raised to the power 2 into 5 raised to the power 3 upon 4 raised to the power 3. So 8 into 8 is equal to 64, 3 into 3 is equal to 9, 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125, and 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. We will cancel this. So the answer is 125 upon 9. Let us take one more example. That is, simplify 2 raised to the power minus 1 into 5 raised to the power minus 1. Its whole power has minus 1 divided by 4 raised to the power minus 1. So let us start solving this. 2 raised to the power 1 minus 1 we can write as 1 upon 2 and power will become positive. Into 5 raised to the power minus 1 we will write as 1 upon 5 raised to the power 1, and now this 2 rational number has whole power of minus 1 divided by 4 raised to the power 1 means 1 upon 4 raised to the power 1. So 1 upon 2 raised to the power 1 means 1 upon 2, and 1 by 5 raised to the power 5 means 1 upon 5 and its power is minus 1 divided by 1 upon 4. So it will become 1 upon 5 into 1 into 1 1, 5 into 2 10 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 1 upon 4. So here the power is minus 1. In order to convert this, in order to make its power positive, we will write it as inverse of this number. So it will be 10 raised to the power 1 divided by 1 by 4. Now in order to convert this divide sign into multiply, we will have to take the inverse of this number. So it will become 10 multiplied by, we will take inverse of this number, that is 4. So the answer is 40. Let us take some more example. Simplify 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 2. So it will become 2 raised to the power 2, 3 raised to the power 2. Since we have taken the inverse of this number, which is 2, so the power will become positive. Same here also, and here also we will take inverse of this number, that is 4, and therefore its power will become 4 or positive 2. Therefore 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and 4 square is 16. So sum is 29. Let us take one more example. By what number should minus 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 3 be divided to get quotient quotient 9 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. Solution. Let required number be x. Therefore, minus 3 upon 2 raised to the power minus 3, when divided by x, we will get the answer 9 upon 4 raised to the power minus 2. By cross multiplication, we will transfer this x from this side to this side. So it will become minus 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 3 is equal to 9 by 4 raised to the power minus 2 into x. Now in order to convert this exponent as positive, we will take the inverse of this number. So it will become minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 3 is equal to, here also we will need to take the inverse of this number to convert this exponent as positive exponent. It will become 4 by 9 raised to the power 2 into x. So it will become, since minus 2 is, has exponent 3, so it will be minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. The power will, the number will remain negative. It is minus 2 raised to the power 3, 3 raised to the power 3, 4 raised to the power 2 upon 9 raised to the power 2 into x. So it will become minus 8 upon 27 is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16, and 9 raised to the power 2 is equal to 81x. Now by cross multiplication, we will get x is equal to 81 into minus 8 upon 27 into 16. So this will cancel 2 times and this will be 3 times. So the answer is minus 3 by 2. Now let us come to another topic of the same chapter, that is standard form of a number. Standard form of a number. A number is said to be of standard form if it is written as m into 10 raised to the power n. Where m is a decimal number such that 1 is less than or equal to m is less than or equal to 10, and n is either a positive or a negative integer. Let us take some example. Write the number 6872 in the standard form. So its solution is that 6872 can be written as 6.872 into 1000, or it will be written as 6.872, and this 1000 can be written as 10 raised to the power 3. So this is the standard form of the number 6872. Example 2. Write the standard form of the number 0.00002. Now this number can be written as 2 upon 1 lakh or 2 upon 10 raised to power 5. That means it is equal to 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. So this is all about the chapter exponents.